today I got the chance to go shopping at one of my favorite stores, Whole Foods. So I'm gonna take you guys inside with me. We'll see what they have and then I'll show you a haul. Their fresh dill here is so cheap, so I'm gonna grab a bunch of that. These strawberries look so awesome. I'm gonna grab 2 pounds of these. I definitely cannot get microgreens where I live, so I'm gonna grab a container of these. I don't think I've tried their guacamole before, but I am going to get some to try it. Maybe I have, I don't know, I can't remember. Rainbow salad, power blend. I always like looking at the salad dressings and packaged salad mixes too. I'm telling you what I wouldn't give to live near a Whole Foods. This is like, they have micro arugula. I actually think I want to get some regular arugula. Oh, here we go. $2.49 for a bag of arugula. That's crazy. I'm gonna try and get some of these prawn dumplings and Chilean sea bass dumplings. Kira is eating a pescatarian diet now, so she can try those. I got some of these last time and they were really good. I think I got the bell pepper and onion salmon burgers, but they've got teriyaki tuna burgers and shrimp burgers. I'm gonna try these tuna ones. Those look good. Look, they have caviar. Have you guys ever even had caviar? I never have. They would never have this at my store in my town. If they did, I would just probably faint from shock. Look how good this looks. Chicken sausage with pineapple and ginger. I'm gonna have to try that. Here we go, cottage cheese section. I'm gonna have to get an assortment of some cottage cheeses that I can't get at home. Look at all these spices. I can't even. I'm gonna look at the mixes. S'mores granola. That sounds delicious. Kind of high calorie, so I'm not going to get it. Maple almond butter granola. Oh, they have keto granola. Peanut butter crunch. Wonder what it has almost just as many calories as regular granola, but probably the protein content is higher. Well, aren't these little mini waffles cute? Connor would like those. If you're ever looking for a really good frozen mac and cheese, this Beecher's brand is super good. I've gotten it from Thrive before, but it looks like they have it here at Whole Foods. It's delicious. All right, so let me show you guys what I got from Whole Foods before I put everything away. So I did pick up a bag of that baby arugula. I'll probably use that for salads or something like that. And then I also have a pie crust in the fridge, so I thought I could make a quiche, and I always like to put arugula on top of quiche. It's really good. The kids have been really liking mandarin oranges, so I got a bag of those because we were out. I got some beautiful fresh dill, so I need to figure out what to make with that. I got this 365 brand honey mustard salad. I got this last time I was at Whole Foods, and it's really, really good. It's got spinach and honey mustard dressing and almonds and dried cranberries. I also got this. It's a lemon parmesan chopped salad kit. So it's got lettuce, croutons, kale, radicchio, and parmesan with a lemon vinaigrette. I grabbed a bag of these, how do you say it? Guittard chocolate chips. I cannot ever find these around where I live, and they're super, super delicious. Actually to make chocolate chip cookies with, so that's probably what I'll do with that. I saw that they had this shawarma seasoning, and I thought this would be really good on some chicken to make like bowls. Thought about doing like chicken shawarma bowls with maybe making some tzatziki out of some of that dill. I don't know, just sounded good. And then I grabbed some of their macarons also. Kira and I already tried one each, so there's a few left. I think this one's mango. There's a chocolate hazelnut. There was a pistachio one in there. I think this one might be cookies and cream. I saw this salad and thought it looked really good, that I would want to try. So it's a salmon brunch salad. So it's got cooked salmon, capers, pickled onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, eggs, and ranch dressing. I thought that looked really good. I got my microgreens, so I love to add those to salads, or sometimes I'll do like a veggie burger with spicy mayo and then put the microgreens on the top. 2 pounds of strawberries, and then I got these soy and scallion noodles. I think this is a restaurant, not that we have in the Midwest, of course, but I don't know. I thought these would be good to try, and Kara really likes stuff like this. I do too. Add some protein on the side, boom, you're good to go. I also got a couple of these vegan chicken ramen cups for Kira, and then some onion powder since I needed more of that. I've never seen this cheese brand before. It says Hook's Cheese Company. It says it's 5-year aged sharp cheddar, so I thought I would try that. This Stumptown Coffee Roasters is in Portland, and I obviously can't find this around where I live. It's really good coffee, so I thought I would try that. And then I also got this tuna salad wrap. It's a cranberry apple tuna salad wrap. I thought that looked good for lunch. Tuna salad is delicious. And then I got some of these turkey pepperonis, the Applegate Farms brand. Some shrimp salad. I've never had this before. Actually, I've never even seen it at Whole Foods before, but the lady at the counter told me it was really good, so I thought I would try that. I got some waffles for Connor. I'm sure he'll like those. And then I also grabbed a packet of hollandaise sauce.
Looks like you got a little puppy there too.
Yeah, I know, he keeps coming over here and pawing at me.
Hi.
He's like, I like salmon. There's some salmon right there. Anyway, I got some hollandaise sauce. I thought I would maybe make Eggs Benedict this weekend or sometime. And then I also got some ham. This is just the Black Forest ham, the 365 brand. I got my favorite Sonoma chicken salad. I love this stuff. I get it every time I go there. Some sliced pepperoncini because we're out of that. Some buttermilk so I can make homemade dressing. And then I always, every year, make this cider beef recipe, and it calls for like real apple cider. You can only get around this time of year. I got 2 packages of burrata. I have a hard time finding this around here also, and it doesn't expire till later in December. So I thought I would stock up on that. And then I got 2 new brands of cottage cheese I've never tried before. The Kelowna Supernaturals and the Whole Foods brand of cottage cheese, so I thought I would try those. I got some cheese sticks just to keep in the fridge, and then I also saw this miso ramen in the refrigerated section, so I thought maybe we would try that. It looks like there's 2 packages of noodles in there, and then there's also a broth packet so you can make it fresh. I got these wild caught tuna ginger teriyaki burgers. These are always good for like a quick lunch or something like that. Cook them in the air fryer. And then I also thought I would try some of these Gilbert's chicken sausages, the pineapple and ginger. Those sounded good. I got some salmon to roast up in the oven at some point. Some homemade guacamole that they had there. And then I thought also I would try their avocado Greek yogurt dressing. It doesn't expire for a while. Well, obviously you open it once you open it, it'll expire sooner, but I don't know, I thought this looked good. There used to be, and I don't know, I haven't seen it there for a while, but there used to be, I forget the brand, if it was like Cindy's Kitchen or something, refrigerated dressing at Whole Foods that was like a white cheddar dressing. It was so good. I can't find it there anymore, so I don't know if they discontinued making it or what. For Kira, I got some of these Beyond Chicken tenders, and then some shrimp dumplings, some sea bass dumplings, and then I got Adam this bottle of whiskey, Uncle Nearest, 1856, I don't know. I just thought it looked like it was nice, and it was the last one there, so I got that. And then I also got some hummus. So I don't know if I've ever tried Whole Foods brand of hummus before, or at least I've never tried the plain one, so I thought I would get that and try it. I just got the little cups because they're super convenient to portion out and eat. And then I also got a box of crab cakes. There's only 2 in here, but they looked good. So these were in the frozen section, so I got those as well. So that's everything I got at Whole Foods. I hope you guys had fun shopping with me. Thanks for watching another day of Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.